Hey everybody, welcome back to Heidi's Garage. Today we are going to show you how to adjust your cables on your Arctic Cat that has the APV valves in them. So these are cable driven. This is where the servo's at. It's behind the pipe, so my pipe is all off. I also have already unplugged my spark plugs because I've been working on the sled. I'm going to show you how to adjust these cables and what the lengths are for each sled according to the manuals and how to properly measure those. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this top case. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, to remove the case, it's an 11 mil. So right on 11 mil socket right on there. And we will just take them right off. Just like that. So this is just a cover. And it has two lock nuts on it. Okay, make sure you put those lock nuts in a place that you don't lose them. Now you're going to remove the cover. Mine's been 3D printed because the old one was bad. So my bushings are kind of stuck in there. Remove your cover, set to the side. Okay, so this is your servo motor now. These are your cables coming in right here. They come right up here. They come in this side of the motor. So to get to them, we have to remove this clip. Okay, so this is your clip. So this is the clip right here that holds on the cables. This is your servo motor. This is where the cable is attached to. So we gotta remove the clip. To remove the clip, you'll just need a pick like this. And we're just going to pull it off like so. And this is the clip. Set it to the side. So next thing you gotta do is rotate this motor down like that so you have slack in the cables. You're going to remove the cables like that, and then this one like that, and then they slide out the back side. So just out the back. I'll remove this whole piece for you. So they slide out the back right here. There's one. There's another. I'm going to remove my servo because I need to work on something back here. Okay, so when you measure these, you're going to go from this shoulder here to the bottom of this end here, okay? When it's slack. Do not pull them up like that because that's opening the power valve. You're measuring the slack in the line. So when we do that, we're going to take our calipers and we're going to set it right here. And right to the bottom. And we are a little bit short. So that means that we need to gain a little bit of cable length. For this specific sled, the cable length is supposed to be 34.5 millimeters. This is a 2006 M7. And to adjust that, all we are going to do is pull our cable up. And to make it longer, you thread it in. To make it shorter, you thread it out. Okay? And we are going to thread this a little bit into this. And that is how you adjust your cables. So we are going to grab some pliers, and loosen that up, and then shorten it. Okay, so now that you've adjusted your cables, the proper routing for these also is underneath the cylinder head, just like this. They both go down like this, and they both come up over here. Okay, so I will show you how to hook these up. Okay, so once you have adjusted your cables to the length that you want, you can go ahead and put them back onto your servo motor. So I will show you how to do that real quick. Here's your servo motor. Here's where they go. And they're very simple. You take them and you just slide them in. I can get so you guys can see it. You take them like this. You put them in back here. And then you slide them in. And then pull them down into there. And they lock in. And the same thing with this. You stick it in, slide them over, pull them down, lock them in. And then you just stick your clip back on, and it goes like that, and it goes over the shoulders. So make sure everything's seated. And it goes over these shoulders right here, like that, and it snaps on. Just like that. And then you go ahead and remount your servo motor. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to work on other things on this, but that is how you adjust your cables. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Like I said, these are the cable lengths for my sled. I will find the ones for other sleds and put them up on my video, probably somewhere over here. But please, consult your owner's manual if you have one, or look up for your specific sled. I do not want you guys to have the wrong cable length and have your sleds messed up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.